Are you all well?
Yeah.
Are you warm enough?
Yeah.
You're not too warm?
No.
Good. Is it me or is it warm, Ken? I think Ken's deaf in his left ear, you know. I'm sure he is. Well, good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Jacqui's Rhythm Katz, our regular monthly event here. We've got a fantastic programme lined up. We've got everything from songs about coconuts, Muppets, things from the Jungle Book, great solos, and unbelievable vocals, because Sara's here. Okay, so we're going to start with a number. We're being videoed as well this evening, ladies and gentlemen, so when it comes to the end, if you can imagine that they're even better than what they are as a band and really make some applause, then it'll really add to the video. Okay, Terry's going to be with us this evening, taking photographs and videoing as well. Okay, we don't know him, he's just come in and asked if he could take some photos and videos. No. Right, so we're going to start. What we're going to start with, we're going to start with a take on a Duke Ellington's Take the A Train, and this is a wonderful number that the band do called Don't Take the B Train, and it goes something like this.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
That's it, louder. Yeah, okay. Next number is called After You've Gone. I believe there's a sitcom at the minute called After You've Gone, and Jamie Combs sings the theme tune for it. Is that right?
Yeah.
Is that right? Do you watch much television, Ken?
No.
No, I didn't think so. No. Okay, but solos there, ladies and gentlemen, from Ken and Joan and Rob as well on bass there. So fantastic. So this is called After You've Gone.
I'm not playing all the time, that's why. 1, 2, 3.
How good was that, ladies and gentlemen? Did you enjoy that after you've gone? Did you enjoy that, Ken?
I did.
Ken, your hair's sticking up a bit. You need to put it down. I was just looking at it. You look like you've come on your bike. Right. Okay, I'm now going to introduce a wonderful young singer. Some of you have seen her before. If you haven't, she's fantastic, and she's going to sing you a couple of songs. Would you please put your hands together for Sara Creeney?
Most of all. That's the time you'd miss him most. The time you'd miss him most of all.
Thank you very much. Well, that one was a song called In the Wee Small Hours of the Morning, and it was the title track for Frank Sinatra's album in 1955. And it's also, what was that? Oh, right, not talking to me. And it was also a song that I used to perform with the Lancashire Youth Jazz Orchestra. And I really like that song, so I was like, oh, I'd like to do a version of it. And unfortunately, we had no music, so Keyboard Ken, very talented keyboard Ken, arranged that one, and yeah, it's a very well. I put a few little bits in, but it's mainly Ken. And yeah, so I hope you like that one. I'm now going to move on to a Gershwin number. This one is They Can't Take That Away From Me.
Your tea, the memory of all that. No, they can't take that away from me. The way your smile just beats, the way you sing off key, the way you haunt my dreams. No, they can't take that away from me. But I'll always, always keep the memory of the way you hold your knife, the way we danced till 3, the way you changed my life. No, they can't tonight, the way we dance till